Last night we experienced a really tremendous thunderstorm, which made me think about the element of water and why we should talk about that today. Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video by Pan Society. I'm Cherie, and today I want to talk about the element of water. Last night we had a really powerful thunderstorm. There were some tornadoes, nothing near us per se, but unfortunately in other areas, and sending lots of love and positive energy to the people that were affected. But it really had me thinking about the power of water and the aspects of it as well. First off, water is life. We all need it to survive. If we don't have water, we die. And so that's something to think about, that how important it is in our daily lives. That being said, I also think about the power that it has around us and how it affects us and how it changes us. Water is about changing. When you think about and when I think about changing, I think about two types of changing that water can do. One of them being the example from last night where we had a torrential thunderstorm and there's so much water and it's just flooding the area and it drowns things, it moves things, it destroys things, it takes huge trees down. And you think of how awesome that a little molecule can do that in such massive force. It also has the ability to change things very slowly and gently over time. And I think about the Grand Canyon. At one point, if you've ever been to the Grand Canyon, if not, Google some pictures. It's amazing. So if you've never been, I highly recommend it, 10 out of 10. But at one point, all that water, the river, the Colorado River, was at the top. And if you look over thousands and thousands of years, it cut through that rock to where it flows, and then you're sitting on the river or the bottom of the canyon looking up at the shelf. And it is crazy that water did that. Water and time, that is it. So it's that reminder of being slow and patient that keeps, you know, if you keep that in mind, that there is a diligence here with it. It's starting to sprinkle right now, so I think that's like really telling that this is a great opportunity to do this video. But also water is purifying and cleansing. So with the rain, I don't know what areas you live in. If you live in North Carolina, I'm sorry. They had a massive like pollen bomb. I don't know if everybody saw those pictures. We sort of had the same thing here in Alabama. And with that water, there's a cleansing spiritually and physically. So physically, it cleansed the earth. Like, it cleanses all the pollen down. It washes it away so there's not yellow everywhere. It cleanses the air. If you notice, like that smell after rain, it smells nice. It cleanses the earth by helping wash away all the contaminants and stuff in the soil. So water is really powerful in the cleansing department. Spiritually cleansing. I don't know if you watched a couple of videos ago. I think it was last week, the week before, maybe before that. I will link it either up here or in the description box or both. But Laura did a video on what makes a ritual. And within that video, she talked about a purifying bath as like a pre-ritual ritual. So, and I think that's a great one. I think go back and watch the video if you haven't seen it, or rewatch it if you already have, and try that. There is an element of cleansing personally with water. You can cleanse with smoke and everything else, but that cleansing with water, that's something that we know, and we do this sometimes daily, and this is, you know, when you're coming home from work and stress and you're cleansing that stress away. If you're taking it for a ritual and you're doing a purifying ritual or purifying cleansing for a ritual, or using it as your ritual, you're washing away whatever's on you that day. You're cleaning your vessel, which is your body, to prepare it for something. So you're getting rid of all the negative energy, anything that's attached to you at that moment, and you're cleansing yourself so that you're open and clean to do whatever your ritual is, or even to just, if that's what your ritual is just cleansing yourself, because we all need that once in a while too. So think about that, like as you work with the energy, or sorry, with the element of water. It's an amazing element that we have every day, and it's another one of those that we kind of take for granted that we have, like fire, like every day. We use it every day. It's in our lives every day, and we aren't aware of it. So take your time and become better aware of water, like consuming it, how better you feel when you're consuming water. When you're using water to feed your plants take care of you, that goes back into you. Water is just ever cyclical in our lives and ever present. So when you get a chance, try that ritual that Laura had talked about bathing with water, or the purification bath, and see how much better you feel after that. Are there any observations that you do with the element of water? Comment down below. Let's talk about it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in another pan video.